Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you today? Are you feeling good? Good job then. Mystica also feeling good today, even though today is a very hot day and super windy. But yeah, I'm good. So today in this video, Miss gonna, like usual, Miss gonna show you some words, some English words for you to learn at home. Okay, so please watch this video and try to repeat what I say. Alright everyone, let's get started then. This week we are learning about wild animals, right? Animals that live in the jungle or in the forest. Yeah. Last week we learned about animals that we can pet, tame animals. There are a lot of tame animals, right? Such as cat, and then what else? Dog, rabbit. What else? What else? Can you tell me? Yeah, bird, fish, dolphin. What else? Butterfly. Good job, everyone. There are a lot of tame animals. So I hope you already knew some of the tame animals. So this week we are going to move to wild animals that live in jungle. First, Mystica has so many cards here. Yeah, there are maybe more than 10, I think, more than 15. So this is gonna be a long video, so please stay with Mystica, everyone. Mystica has 3 kinds of bear. What is it? Bear. Good job. Mystica has 3 types of bear here. This one, and this one. Have you ever watched this one? What is it, the cartoon about bear? We Bear Bears. Yeah, have you ever watched We Bear Bears? Yeah, there are 3 bears on that cartoon, right? Panda, and then Ice Bear, and Grease. Yeah, if you ever watch it, you know their names, right? So, this one, Grizzly Bear. Grizzly Bear. Very good. This Grease. And then there are also this one with the black and white fur. This is a panda. Panda bear. Panda. Pan. In the cartoon, this is Pan. Panda. Panda is from China, everyone. And then the last one, with the white fur as white as snow. This is polar bear. This kind of bear lives in a very cold place with a lot of snow. It can only live in a very cold place. Yeah, this is in the cartoon. His name is Ice Bear. The brown one is Grizzly Bear. And then the black and white colored one is Panda Bear. Panda. And then the white fur one, the white colored one is Polar Bear. Yeah, very good, everyone. Miss also has 2 kinds of, what is it? These ones are quite similar, but they are different. This one, we call it as fox. Yeah, fox. And then we also have this one. This one is wolf. 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 They are quite different, everyone. Can you point out what makes them different? Yeah, so this one, try to point out their differences. So this one is fox, fox. And then this one is wolf, fox, wolf. Very good. Try to repeat the words together with Miss Tika, okay? This one, you must be familiar with this kind of animal. This one is elephant with a long nose and big ears. But look at this. His eyes is really small. It's an elephant, everyone. And then this is, what kind of animal is this, everyone? With black and white stripes. This is a zebra. 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 Very good. Miss Tika has this one also. Do you know what is it? Sometimes they have things on top of their heads. We call it as antler. Yeah, but my picture here, he doesn't have any antlers on his head. But this is a deer. Deer. What is it? Deer. Very good, everyone. This one. What is it? He lives in a desert. It is a camel. Camel. Very good, camel. And then, oh, I don't know if all of you know these animals, but this one with a horn. This is a rhino. Rhino. He's really big and strong with a lot of muscles. He has a lot of muscles. This is a rhino. And then this one also very big. This too is a very big animal, everyone. This one is hippo. Hippo. Hippo has a very big mouth. Hippo. Good job. Rhino. Rhino. Hippo. Good job, everyone. Miss forgot something. This one. Do you know this one? This animal? He really likes to sleep. He sleeps all the time. Like most of the time, he is sleeping. Who is it? Koala. He's a koala. Koala. Yeah, koala is like this. Guys. Koala. Yeah, good job. Oh, Miss also has this one. Two kinds of like similar animals, but they are different. This one, it has similar, almost similar faces, similar features, but they are different. This one with a long tail, it is a monkey. 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 Good job. This one, it's like a monkey, but like a human also, without tails. This one, he doesn't have any tails. It is a orang-utan. Orang-utan. Yeah, this is orang-utan. This is monkey. This is orang-utan. Good job, everyone. Well, we still have a lot. Bear with me, alright? They are also rather similar with similar features. They all... this one. Oh, lion! Good job. This is a lion with a mane. Alright? The king of the jungle, lion. Miss Tika also has this one. Like a lion, but it has stripes. Yeah, with the stripes is tiger. Tiger, good job, tiger. And then this one with a dot Yeah, a lot of black dots on its body. And he can run really fast. Faster than any cars. It is a cheetah. Cheetah. Good job. Lion. This is a lion with mane. Okay, there are hairs around his face. This is lion. The one with stripes is tiger. Tiger, yes, tiger. And then the one with a black dots covering his body is cheetah. Yeah, he can run very fast also. So, lion, yeah, with the hair around his face is lion. With black stripes is tiger. With black dots and runs very fast is cheetah. Good job, everyone. The last one is these animals can swim really well, even though they are not fish, but they can swim really well. And they live in a cold place also. Who are they? This one. You know this already. Penguin. Yeah, penguin. And this one, do you know what is it? This is a sail. Sail. Yeah, sail. Yeah, penguin, sail. Good job, everyone. Oh, we are done. Let's review it one by one. Okay. Let's start with the bear family. This one. Grizzly. Grizzly bear. Good job. This one. Panda. Panda. Polar bear. Good job. This is monkey. Monkey. Orang utan. Orang utan. Very good. This one. Fox. Fox. Wolf. Wolf. Good job. Rhino. 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 Hippo. Hippo. Good job. Deer. Camel. Camel. Super easy. Elephant. Elephant. Zebra. Zebra. Good job. How about this one? Koala. Koala. Good job. And then we move to this family. What are they? Lion. Tiger. Very good. Cheetah. Cheetah. Tiger. Lion. Good job, everyone. The last one, animals that can swim really well. Penguin. Seal. Good job. Penguin and seal. Very good, everyone. So that's it. That's some of wild animals that we are going to learn this week. So please try to learn those animals at home. Yeah? Watch this video and repeat after Miss Tika. Okay? See you on our class, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.